Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Underdog Fantasy. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Underdog Fantasy account on the app or website. Next, go to your account settings and look for the identity verification option. Enter your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches your official documents. Upload a clear photo of your government issued ID. Follow the instructions to ensure the image is sharp and all details are visible. Once you have completed the form, and uploaded your documents, tap submit. Your verification will be reviewed and you will receive an update soon. And that's it. Verifying your identity on Underdog Fantasy is quick and easy. Once approved, you are ready to play with confidence. Thanks for watching.